Today is the day we put aside to remember fallen heroes and to pray that no heroes will ever have to die for us again. It's a day of thanks for the valor of others, a day to remember the splendor of America and those of her children who rest in this cemetery and others.
Well, good Monday to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome you to my home in the sticks. Hope everybody is having a sure enough good, fun, and safe Memorial Day. The day that we remember all of the fallen brothers and sisters that have served in the military. But what I want to make mention of, if you are new to the Home in the Sticks channel, I want to welcome you. And if you're returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over in the sticks, I thank y'all for coming back. What I wanted to share with you and y'all today is gracious. It is warm out here in East Central Mississippi. We have hit 100 degrees the last couple of days. But over the weekend, I accomplished a bunch of things. Probably some things I put off way too long. So give me a second, I'm gonna show you, and we're gonna talk about it. All right, first and foremost, I got a lot of grass cut. Just a lot of grass. I want to say maybe 6 or 7 acres of grass that I got cut Saturday and part of Sunday. The grass looks really good, and I'm here to tell you, with all the rain we've been getting in the last couple of weeks, you can hear the grass growing. That's how fast it grows. Another thing that I put off way too long was adding another fan here in my shop. I've been wanting to do this for gracious knows how long, but Saturday I finally broke down and went to the Lowe's and picked up a fan, got it installed and wired in, and I'm here to tell you, it keeps this area right here extremely cool. So that's another big thing that I can knock off the list. I got me another fan put in the shop. Look at them dang sunflowers. Lord, they are getting big. So that's pretty cool. I want to show y'all that too. I got some sunflowers just getting huge. And I also wanted to show you, I got a bunch of maters coming on. Look at them maters. I don't know if you can see it, but I got a bunch of chocolate cherry maters coming on. Really happy about that. I'm really happy on how these maters are actually growing on this cattle panel. I have tons of flowers everywhere. And hopefully we can get a sure enough good mater harvest this season. Here's a little shot at the corn. I actually just let it sit for a couple of days and watered it in real good. And I have more corn that is popping up. And of course, my squash is doing good as well. There's another view of all those pretty butt maters. I'm waiting on Mr. CB's Amanda Orange maters, the seeds that he sent me. I'm waiting on them jokers to pop up and start. I'm waiting on these jokers to start putting on fruit, hopefully soon. Because to be honest with you, I'm pretty dang excited about seeing the Amanda Oranges actually growing this season. Last season didn't have any luck with maters at all. I got maybe a pound or so of maters, uncommon, because normally I get several pounds of maters because eat a lot of maters over here in East Central Mississippi. That's right. Oh, that is just a few things that I have been working on, big things that I've been working on here at my home in the sticks. Sunday I had a bunch of family show up, and of course I ended up cooking some fried fish and some tater salad, and Lord of mercy, we played some cards and ate some good victuals. I didn't video it, but you know how it is. But what I want to say again is I hope everybody is having a sure enough good Memorial Day. And I hope y'all take some time out your day to remember all of the fallen men and women of our U.S. military. And also, I don't know what it's like in your neck of the woods, but here in East Central Mississippi, it is dangerously hot. It's probably on the brinks of close to 100 right now. So there's not much going on during the day. Actually, the heat of the day is normally about 3 or 4 o'clock. But I intended on getting some bush hogging done today, and I got a bunch of stuff I got to do with the animals. But I'm here to tell you, It's better to be safe than sorry. Just stay hydrated and stay out of the heat if you can. So you and y'all, if y'all out at the beach and whatnot, y'all be careful and be safe. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up. They help. If you haven't subscribed to the Homeless Sticks channel, y'all need to come on over here and give them a look, because I'm always doing stuff. Really. With that being said, you know it's coming down. Reference showing up, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You get your shine on today, Memorial Day. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.